Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Well, today I don't know what to tell you. I'm trying something new. This was something I saw on my buddy Big Lou's channel. That's Big Lou's Barbecue and things I like to do. I'll try to find a card up here if you want to go and check out his channel. Now, in South Carolina, we've got something we call caviar, Carolina caviar. That's boiled peanuts, all right? But we're not gonna boil them today. We're gonna deep fry them in the shell. Never tried this. We're gonna try it, so stick with us and see how this turns out. So, hang tight. Okay, well, here's what we've got. We've got raw peanuts. Now, these are not green. These are just raw. They've been washed and cleaned. I don't have to do that. I've got a pot over here that's got peanut oil in it. And so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my raw peanuts and I'm gonna dump straight in the oil. And we're gonna let them just fry away here. Now, I'm gonna keep track of our temp. I wanna fry them about 350. That's about normal. Alexa, set timer for 7 minutes. Okay, 7 minutes in. And you see how they turned a nice brown color? They're all fairly brown. I'm gonna pour them out on this paper towel here. And we're gonna let those rest for a minute. All right, now let's take and spread these out. Now I'm gonna do these like French fries. Now I told you this was the first time I'd ever done this, so we're gonna see how this works out. All right, what am I gonna use? This is Uncle Steve's shake. Ta-da! This is Gator Shake. Gator Shake works on everything, vegetables. I even use it on popcorn. So why wouldn't it work on deep fried peanuts? Let's try it. All right. Stir them around a little bit. Bunch them back up. And I want to get them on all sides while they're hot. Got a little oil on them. All right. And let's put the nets back in. All right. 7 minutes on the second batch. Let's get them out of this oil. See, they're nice brown color. All right, let's get our Gator Shake. Stir them up. Get back in there. Whew. They're hot. Hot, 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 hot. Get them coated good with this gator shake. All right. Let's let them cool down. We're gonna try them. Okay. Well, hey, we've had time to let them cool off a little bit. Deep fried peanuts, hull and all. Wow. Uncle Steve shake did the trick. Oh my goodness. Hey. Wow. I don't know what to tell you. Lou, you found me another snack. Hey. All right. Well, I appreciate you hanging around. See how this turned out. I had no clue. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe. Won't cost a dime. I'll have another video, whether you do or not, over here just for you. Until next time, hey, hang tight.